I welcome you all to Shiksha Sanjog online teaching program. Myself, Himanshu Pod, assistant teacher, Rudra Padmini High School, Chindaguda. In our last class, our respected Ajit sir has taught you the sentence. What is sentence? Today, we will read about simple sentence. You know what is sentence? Sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which gives a complete sense. A group of words which gives a complete sense is a sentence. There are three types of sentences. There are three types of sentences. The first one is simple sentence, the second one is compound sentence, and the third one is complex sentence. Ramo worked hard. This is a simple sentence. Ramo worked hard and got a first class. This is a compound sentence. As Ramo worked hard, he got a first class. This is complex sentence. Ramo worked hard. Here, the sentence is made of only one clause and having one finite verb, that is worked. So this is a simple sentence. Here, Ramo worked hard and got a first class. Here, there are two clauses. Ramo worked hard, he got a first class. And is a coordinator. Here, worked and got are finite verbs. So this is not a simple sentence. This is a compound sentence. As Ramo worked hard, he got a first class. There are two clauses. He got a first class man clause. As Ramo worked hard, it is a subordinate clause. So this is a complex sentence. In our next class, we will discuss about compound sentence and complex sentence. Today, we will discuss about simple sentence. Simple sentence. What is a simple sentence? Look at students. Sentences consist of only one clause and having a finite verb. जो वाक्य गुड़िक गोटे क्लज एवं गोटे समापिका क्रिया गठित होइतिबो से गुड़िक सिंपल सेंटेंस कहा जाए. ओडिया रे सरल वाक्य. सरल वाक्य विभिन्न प्रकारर. The simple sentences are four types. I will discuss one after another. The first one is declarative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Dear student, again you see declarative sentence. The example, one of the example, you are careful. This is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentences are statements, state of facts, indicates declarative sentence. We can turn the declarative sentence into interrogative. Here see, you are careful declarative. I am going to turn into it interrogative sentence. Are you careful? Sorry, here is a question mark. Are you careful? This is a question or interrogative sentence. The third one is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Request, order, instruction, wish, suggestion, command refer to imperative sentence. Be careful. You are careful declarative and the declarative sentence turn into imperative. Be careful. This is an imperative sentence. Then exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence expresses feeling of surprise, admiration, wishes, etc. Here I have turned the declarative sentence you are careful into exclamatory sentence. You are careful, it is turned into exclamatory. How careful you are. Here you see this exclamation marks indicate this is an exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentences begin with how or what.